Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today to share with you a new project share. I had recently picked up this die right here. It looks like this, and I believe it's a K-cup holder, or it also could be whatever you want it to be. It's like a little caddy. And then I also use this die, and I just wanted to share with you this die as well. I was watching Bona, who is Live Love Scrap here on YouTube. She recently shared this die as well, and I was so excited because I couldn't wait to receive mine. So let me share with you the two cup holders that I made. Okay, so here is the first one, and I just think it came out absolutely adorable. As you can see, with this die set, you get a little coffee cup, you get the sunglasses or the eyeglasses, and then you get this little tiny bow, which is absolutely adorable. So this is what it looks like cut out. It's absolutely super cute, you guys. So here's where I used those heart dies. I just layered them, made a rosette, then layered it with some little tool that I have. I cut out the cup and pieced it together, and look at that little tiny bow. It's absolutely adorable. When I was watching Bona's video, she had suggested using these little 4-ounce cups. I picked them up probably last year sometime. I made some graduation gifts using a different caddy holder die, and she was right. It works perfectly for this little holder. I just love that idea, and I was also reading her comments, and someone had suggested using it to put candles in, and so I figured I'd make a couple of these and gift them for Mother's Day to a few friends. So it fits this little cup in here perfectly. You don't have to put coffee in it, but you could, and you actually could put a K-cup inside the cup if you wanted to, or you could just put some candy or some treats. Here on this side, this is absolutely one of my favorite all-time candles. I love this scent, and I love this brand of candles. So I had some on hand, and I thought, oh, that'd be perfect for this little holder. So as you can see on the bottom, I layered mine with some glittered paper just to make it a little bit sturdier on the bottom. And I used the Die Cuts with a View new paper pad that I recently picked up from Joann's, in case you're wondering. And then I also layered it a second time on the bottom just to give it some stability. I just like it. I just wanted it to be strong. You don't have to do this step, but I did. I just like the way it looked with the glitter on the inside, and I just feel like it just stands a little bit better if you use some heavyweight cardstock on the bottom. But anyway, this candle fits absolutely perfect inside of this little caddy, and as you can see, I could put 2 candles if I wanted to, like 2 different scents. But absolutely love this die. And then this is the second one that I made, and again, I just used some nested circle dies that I have in my stash. I've shared this die before. And then I had this little stamped image that was gifted to me, so I stuck it on there. And this is the inside of this one, again using the glitter on the bottom and this fun paper from Die Cuts with a View that I picked up from Joann's, and again layering it with a sturdy piece of cardstock on the bottom. I think this is absolutely adorable. This was the other thing I wanted to share with you that would work in this little caddy. If you have friends that like to drink, you could add a couple bottles of the little small, I guess you would call them shots, from the liquor store. Those would work in here as well. I actually had some Halloween alcohol that would work perfectly. It's like in the shape of a skull. That fits in here. I was trying all kinds of things to see what would work and fit in here, so I've got a lot of ideas and for this die, but I thought that would be an excellent idea to put some alcohol, if you have friends that like to drink, or even like a little mini bottle of wine, whatever. And then also I was thinking, these are the other candles I had on hand, little tea light candles. This is another one of my favorite scents, key lime pie. But the little tea light candles would fit in here as well, just to give you some ideas. I'm more than happy to leave the links in the description box below if you want to check out these products that I shared with you today. I hope you like what I've made. Please leave a comment, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.